evening guys, I'm here to show you how to make gyro error, compass error, pressure variation, and deviation. To get the gyro error, we need gyro bearing and throw bearing to get the gyro error. To get the gyro bearing, we need gyro heading, gyro heading is 0.095 degree. The relative bearing is 300. To get the gyro bearing, we need to add these two, 405. Since the compass is 360, we have to subtract it. 360. That's the gyro bearing. Then to get the gyro error, subtract it to throw bearing. Throw bearing is 0.40 degree. The gyro error is 0.005 degree. Since we have compass base error west, compass list error is, this is the compass base error west, then limit west. This is our gyro error. Since compass error, since we need to get the compass error, we need through heading and compass heading. To solve it, gyro heading, gyro error and gyro heading. The gyro heading is 5 degree. We add 100 degree. That's our through heading. Since I told earlier, to get the compass error, we need through heading and compass heading. Since we have through heading, the compass heading is 0.96 degree. That's our compass heading. To get the compass error, we subtract. That's our compass error. Since we had gyro error, compass error, we need present variation and deviation. To get the present variation, required year is 2023. The calendar year is 2019. Subtract 4 years. That's our year interval. Then the annual change is 8 minutes is times to get total change 32 minutes is, then divide to 60 or 0.5. Then 4 years and this add to get the present variation. Present variation is equal to 4.5. This is our present variation, 4.5. Then to get the last deviation, we need compass error and present variation. Our compass error is, the compass error are 0.04 degree, and the present variation is 4.5 is subtract our present variation is 0.5 is with deviation. That's our deviation.